Established in 2005, Eiahe Packaging is an innovative company focused on providing customers with high quality of packaging solution. The company's main business is horizontal packaging machines, and together with its supporting equipment, which provides a comprehensive solution for soft packaging manufacturer. After years of operation, the company has established partnership with numerous of well-known international and domestic brands from food and beverage, dairy, and daily chemical sectors, such as Le Soleil, Procter & Gamble, Unilever, Perfetti, Mars, Meccano, Totally, Mastercon, Monio, Illy, Free Squirrels, etc. Products are exported to more than 20 countries and regions in Asia, Europe, and America, and have obtained more than 50 patents on their packaging solutions. P330S P-Series Pre-Made Pouch Packaging Machine. Pre-made pouch horizontal packaging machine could provide user with more flexible packaging solutions. User can benefit from its less replacement time for changing molds and parts. This type of machine is suitable for users who required multiple packaging appearances with normal production volume. This equipment adopts 4-axis servo drive and electronic cam engagement. The cam curve can be adjusted according to different products to achieve better timing coordination. Faster speed, stable operation. The speed of this machine is 37% faster than the traditional mechanical cam equipment produced by our company. Various automatic detection functions such as backloading, in-kind, opening, and filling detection. And they are all combined with automatic rejection devices. It can realize the detection and elimination of defective products caused by various situations and reduce the manual control of the detection process. Our machines are certified by CE TÜV, a globally recognized electrical certification agency. Firstly, our equipment are all with remote control system. Engineer can access and diagnose the problem remotely. Secondly, in order to facilitate customer problem instantly, each project has a dedicated team who will be responsible for taking care of customer problem from the beginning to the end of the setup and application process. Finally, we have sufficient inventory of equipment accessory and can provide instant shipment to customers who are in urgent needs. Thank you so much for watching. Please contact us if you have any needs. Have a good day.